convert 1.5 days to seconds. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And we know that 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So to convert our units, we start with what we were given, which was 1.5 days, then multiply by a fraction that cancels out our units. First, we will convert days to hours by multiplying by hours and putting days on the bottom. Then we convert hours to seconds by multiplying by another fraction that leaves us with seconds. In order to get left with seconds, we will put seconds on top and hours on the bottom. Solving this equation, we get that the days cancel and leave us with hours, and then the hours cancel and leave us with seconds. This tells us that 1.5 days is equal to 129,600 seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.